Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional questionnaire or survey for your clients using Google Forms. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or business owner, or you simply want to gather organized feedback efficiently, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. You can do this by searching Google Forms in Google, and it's usually the first link that appears. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Start a New Form. You can choose a blank form or select a template, but for this tutorial, we'll start from blank to make things simple and flexible. Next, give your form a title and a description so your clients know what it's about. For example, you might name it Client Questionnaire, and add a brief description like "Please fill out this form to help us understand your needs." Then, click on the first question box to start adding your questions. You'll see a variety of question types including multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, or drop-downs. To make your questions clearer, you can add options for multiple choice questions, or set a question as required to ensure clients don't skip it. For instance, you might ask for gender with options like male, female, other as a multiple choice question, or ask for an email with a short answer question. To add more questions, just click the plus icon and repeat the process. You can also choose paragraph answers for detailed responses, like asking clients to explain their project process or requirements. To make your form look more professional, click on Customize Theme in the top right corner. Here you can change colors, add a header image, and adjust fonts to match your branding. Once your questions are ready, go to the Responses tab to see client submissions and track data easily. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to share your questionnaire. You can email it directly, or copy the link, and even shorten the URL for easy sharing. Now your clients can fill out your questionnaire, and all responses will be neatly collected in one place. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clean, professional Google Forms questionnaire for your clients quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might need a simple way to gather client feedback. Why not make someone's day easier?